Hi, welcome to Joy of Beauty. I wanted to introduce you today to one of my dearest friends and longtime Joy of Beauty clients, Julie. Hi, say hi, Julie. Hi. Julie and I met because I got to do her makeup for her wedding.
And she did an awesome job.
How long ago was that?
10 years.
10 years.
Next month.
Yes.
10 years.
And since then, Julie comes for her brows to Joy of Beauty. She has facials. I get to do her makeup when there's a party that she's going to. But most recently, Julie wanted to have her own makeup lesson and her own airbrush. So as part of the makeup lesson here at Joy of Beauty, which as a makeup lesson, what you're going to do is you're going to come to my private studio. You're not going to be in the mall with a bunch of people walking by. And it's one-on-one, and we tailor it to what you need. So what we did was we got Julie her very own Temptu Air, her very own Temptu Air brush.
Yes, and I love it. It's actually very, very easy to use. It goes on very light, or it gets as much coverage as you want, and I get a lot of compliments on it.
That's the most important thing.
So people don't think I'm wearing makeup, which is my goal. I want to look as natural as possible.
So when you get up in the morning and you're getting ready for work, like, how does this thing go together? Show them how easy it is for this.
Essentially, I take my pod, which typically has a cover, so nothing kind of spills out, and then once I take the cap off, I take the plug out, and I literally just pop it in. Very, very easy.
And then, how do you airbrush your face?
So typically I like to go to the second setting. So you just press the button, and then you hold it like, I say, like a palm's for distance away from your face, and I just typically what am I doing? I'm not pressing the top button, that's what I'm doing. So I just take it and I just little circles, and I like to.
So you feel where the air is coming,
Yes.
is that's where the makeup's going to
Yes, and I typically only do like 2 to 3 passes, depending on how much. And then I turn it off, and I am ready to go with blush and highlighter and bronzer.
So this is what the bronzer pod, like we have bronzer pods, we have blush pods, and you literally just snap your pods in and put your blush on and your bronzer, and off you go.
Yeah, it's so easy. My husband will probably attest to me taking 10 minutes to get ready. So it's pretty easy. So if I can do it, just about anyone can.
So that's with your eye makeup too, though.
Yes.
Right, so you do your eye makeup, you do lips, blush,
Lips,
all of that.
concealer, all of that stuff.
And you're out the door.
Yeah, out the door.
So, as part of a makeup lesson, you can use either a traditional foundation, or now, because I can offer you my discount for your very own Temptu Air. So Temptu and I have collaborated on this, and here in New Hampshire, I'm connected to Temptu in New York, and you can just click on my personal link and you'll get your own Temptu Air, and then you can reorder your foundation, your blushes, the colors. There's going to be more specials going forward, and this is new, nobody even knows this yet, but on April 24th, the Temptu Air now is black. It's going to come out in rose gold.
Ooh.
Yeah, so that might be a good
Maybe
Mother's
there'll
Day
be
present.
A little upgrade in my life.
A Mother's Day present for you. So, yeah, so call me, come for a makeup lesson, and let's play with this, because it's a wonderful tool, and your friends, you'll just be the envy of your friends.
And Joanne's the best.
Thanks, honey.
We're friends.
Thank you so much. Bye.